Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and repost a Insta post on your Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first of all, go ahead, access your Instagram. Once you have done so, let's go. We are like browsing through our Instagram, and there is a particular post that we really like to repost. It's really nice. And so what we can do is we can simply go ahead, find that post. Let's say this is the one. We can tap on this little arrow icon given beside this comment icon below the post, and go ahead, tap on it, and now you have an option of simply sharing it, or you can tap on this option called add to story. That's where you will be able to repost it. Once you have tapped on add to story, this will show that person's profile. You can choose either way what you want, including your reaction, or you can tap on your profile, tap on that particular post and show it like this as well, right? So once you have done doing that, you can tap on at this arrow, which will give you this option of, if your account is connected with your Facebook, you will find this kind of option. Otherwise, if you would like to share it to close friends, you can choose that as well. Otherwise, you can tap on the share option, and then you will be able to share this post to your story of Instagram. Apparently not, if you cannot share a particular post in your Instagram profile post, just like this, go to your profile, just like this post, you can share it to your story only. So that will be it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.